Hello and welcome to the next CNRL Fast Holiday Workshop. My name's Kel.
My name's Ita.
And today, Ita's going to be showing us how to make some awesome animal drawings.
Cool.
Ita!
Yes. Okay, so we're going to I'm going to show you some simple shapes so we can get our drawings on the paper, and then we're going to colour it in. So I found when we're going through COVID and all the lockdowns, what made me really happy was colour. So simple shapes and then lots of colour. But first I'm going to show you how to draw them. If you're hesitant on drawing yourself, we'll also have the link to the drawings and you can pick them up at the library. But have a go yourself because it's super fun. Kelly hasn't done them before, so let's see how she goes.
Thank you.
We'll start with a snake. So I actually drew this on my water tank during COVID, huge. But please don't draw on the walls at home. Just use whatever you have at home. So paper.
Lovely range of paints here.
Oh, that's like a rainbow, isn't it?
Yep.
Beautiful. All you need really is to draw a head and a tail, because the body is like a long tail, isn't it? A snake's head is a sort of diamond shape.
Okay.
There you go. And just to make it a little bit interesting, I like to go like that. And there's your head. Now the tail you can make however would fit your piece of paper or whatever you're drawing on. And there you have it. There's your first shape.
How did I go?
How did Kelly go? Oh, fantastic. So now we know how to draw an animal without legs. Let's take it one step further. So let's do a lizard. We just start the same way. Cool.
Yep.
So now, of course, we need a body. And I like how geckos are always moving, so it doesn't really matter what sort of shape you do, because he could be just going around the corner or whatever. Whatever you like. Because what will make it look like a lizard is the big tail and the little hands.
Yeah.
So I really like the little hands to have a little elbow, and then just the 5 dots.
Oh, okay.
So this one as well. And the little legs at the back, I just do them the other way. There you go. And then we have room for a big fat tail. So I do the tail wherever I have room. So I have room there. Awesome. Now, one of my favorite birds is an owl.
Yes.
And what makes an owl? To me, it's always the big, big eyes.
Yes.
So mine is a little bit crooked, but that's fine. And what I also always think of when I think of an owl is the beak. And the owls we have, they have pointy ears. So do 2 more triangles. Now I like my owls to have nice plump little bodies. So they start out just like that, and then I go nice and fat.
Right out to the edges.
Yeah, however you like it.
Okay.
There you go. Now, what has an owl got as well? Wings. But because it's a drawing, we just make them really simple. 2 wings.
Oh, look at this dear little owl.
I know, right? I think
So
it's so cute. And he has the little feet where he hangs onto the tree.
Yeah.
So I just do a little shape like that.
Oh, lovely. I think this is my favourite.
So at home you can now colour them in with paint, with textures, with
Pastels?
Oh yeah, Kelly has some pastels. Okay, let's have fun.
Okay, so I'm just going to draw the feathers here. I'm thinking I could almost have rainbow feathers coming down.
Oh yes, you could.
And then a darker colour in the middle
Yeah.
to contrast. Oh, these pastels are so nice to use. You can do a little bit of smudging. Inch. Yep.
Oh, I love his belly.
You know what I would do? Is come back and paint that bit to pop it out. I might paint the outside.
Yeah. Look at your little beak. It's so cute. Which one am I doing? The smaller one. Let's see how this goes. Oh, this is so fun.
I love these colours so much.
I love just choosing the next one without a plan.
Lots of artists are just intuitive.
Yeah, I never have a plan to start with. You know, you can always combine your materials too, so have a bit of Kelly's pastels or my paints and you can combine them.
Yeah.
Even if you have
mixed
the paint
media.
pens at work, you know.
Yeah.
They're very easy to use. I didn't actually draw that first, so freehand cards. There we go. Pressure's on. Mine is a flower power. owl.
Oh, it's so lovely.
This looks more like a fish than fish scales. What I like for a little canvas like this, you can just turn it around to however it's easy to get to where you want to go. Oops. So you can either keep it really clean or you can blend the colors in, which I quite like. So that's what I'm doing here. Oh, nice. See how it's, do that here as well. Otherwise it's too yellow. Lovely. So now I wanted more yellow, so I'll need to actually clean my brush. So we're using whatever we have here at the moment, but if you're at home, and if you've watched our previous video where we make watercolors, you can use that as well. Absolutely. And if you haven't watched it, that's the previous school holidays. It's worth a look. What was it called? Awesome Watercolors? No, Making Your Own Watercolors. Was that right? Yeah. Oh, we had so much fun. I think you can see it when you see the video because we're all laughing. We only do things that we think are fun ourselves. So yeah, there you go. Look, my owl is getting stars in his eyes. I always work with, oh, I feel like stars. Let's do stars.
It's a feeling.
Yeah, it's a feeling. Same with the colours.
What you're drawn to.
Yeah. Oh, let's use this. Oh, so cool. He's super, super hippie, isn't he? I think I need some more green, but I'll come to clean. If you don't clean him, then it will just get to become a muddy brown. You're painting, and we want nice lovely colours. I just really want to go to a party with this owl. It looks like fun. I love my owl's eyes. He's just ready for Mardi Gras. Now I have all that yellow. Maybe I'll do a few yellow feathers. Why not? So fill that in there.
Do you use fun to use different types of
Materials?
mixed media?
Yeah. So at home I often use paint and brushes and then finish it off with paint pens because you can be really precise with them.
Yeah. I'm thinking this little owl's in the bush, so I'm just sort of, and it's night time, so I'm giving him a bit of a bush background.
Nice.
Okay, so here is my mixed media owl. So by mixed media, I mean that I use pastels for the owl's body and had a lot of fun mixing colours. I don't know how successful I was with the black and the colour, but I was looking to have a little iridescent tummy. And then, because I had a lot of smudges around the outside, I decided to use the acrylic paint. And then it ended up being like the bush in the back.
Okay, I'm going to do some background.
Ooh, I love
But I don't want it just one solid blue. So what I've done is white and blue and actually mix it on the...
Isn't that a gorgeous blue?
I know. So we started with the basic shape and then I did that again on the little canvas. And you can see how it comes to life with all these colors. And of course you can do it any way you like. So Kelly has done hers a little bit dark in the middle and it's quite serious. Mine is a little party owl and he's very happy that he can now go to bed because the sun is up. Ta-da! Ta-da!
And today we're going to make date Easter eggs. So you are going to need some dates, oats, cocoa powder, peanut butter, shredded or desiccated coconut or sprinkles to decorate, a food processor, a measuring cup and a spoon.